Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be doing a seat switch on a 2011 Ford F-150. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need this part or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to remove this piece right here. Once this is off, we'll remove this plastic plate, and then we'll get a clear view of what we're going to replace under here, which would be the switch. Okay? So I'm just going to take my tool. I'm going to just try to wedge it in, give it a little tug. There's just little clips under here. I'll show you them. So there's one here, one there, and there's one right there. And they're all real small. Nothing really too crazy about them. We'll set this aside so I can't lose it. Here's the part that we're going to be replacing, but let's get a better view of all of it. We're just going to take our plastic trim piece. See if I can get under here. Should all just kind of want to pop apart here. Feels like somebody's already been into this. That's okay. There we go. Get that out of the way. Let's see what's holding us in now. Okay. Now we've got our wiring and everything holding us in. So let's just start pulling these pins right here. We're just going to lift this up. And that's just going to let us pull out this switch. Okay. Very simple. Just get in between here. Let me get down so I can see. We'll put our trim piece out of the way. Here's our switch. I'm going to switch to my handy dandy screwdriver. I'm just going to push in on this pin right here. It's in the center. That's going to push down on this lock, and it should release it for us. So let's give it a try. Oops. There we are. While we've got it out, we'll just take a peek right here. Make sure there's no funny colors, no rust or pinks or blues or any crazy rainbow colors inside where the terminals are. Looks pretty great. Let's do a quick product comparison, make sure we've got the right part, and then we'll go ahead with the install. Here we go, friends. Quick product comparison for you. We've got our old switch from our 2011 Ford F-150 with the EcoBoost. This is just a seat switch. Got the little buttons here, makes things go up and down, left and right, blah, blah, blah. Okay, a little switch cover on there. We've got our terminal ends where our wiring goes into. And here we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part right here. It's got the switches and everything, makes things go up and down, side to side like it's supposed to. It's got our terminal end where our harness goes into. It's got our mounting points right there and right there. Same thing on that side. As you can tell, they're both the exact same part. If this one wasn't dirty, I would probably mix them up and I wouldn't know which was which, an exception of just one would work and one probably wouldn't, right? So, like I said, this is a quality part, 1A Auto, right here. So if you need this part or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. All right, so we got our wiring harness, our brand new switch. It's quality right here. I'm just gonna try to pull it out a little bit, not too much. I don't want to put a tug on any wires. I'm gonna listen for a click noise. There it is, perfect. We've got our plastic piece. These are the anchor points, right? We got anchor points on the switch. So we'll just go ahead and slip it in. That sounded great. Sometimes that noise doesn't sound good. In this case it does, right? All right. Something I like to take note of is along the top, there's hooks that face down. They slide down into here and into there, okay? And on the bottom side, there's little pushing clips. So these are just gonna go like that, and then like this. Get the cushion out of the way. And it should wanna slide down in. Like I said, somebody's been in this already, so it's all kinda, there we are. We'll get this right here. It's unlocked, locked, okay? Even with it in the locked position, you can go ahead and push it on. I'm just gonna feel right here. There's a flat edge, and there's a flat edge on my piece, okay? So you just wanna feel around. Your flat edge might be someplace different than mine, but mine's over here. So I'm gonna line it up with this one. I'm just gonna push it in. There's our wonderful click noise. Got our switch cover. Looks like it's in great condition. Just gonna grab it. Give it a try. Lumbar support, perfect. We'll get our tools out of here, and we've completed our service. Great job, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.